Hey everybody, just wanted to come in here and educate you a little bit on the Remmy Halo. In the time in the season when school is starting back, your children, your loved ones are heading back into school and they're coming home with the sniffles, the flu, the fever. They didn't have any of that all summer, but they're in school now with all these children. It's what they call the sick building syndrome, and there's a technology out here called the Remmy Halo. This is actually the Remmy Halo, the box that it'll come in. You don't want to open this up until you're actually ready to install it, but that's what the Remmy Halo would look like. And the cool thing about it, it actually goes right into your HVAC unit. So this is an HVAC unit. It would go right there in the top part of that HVAC unit. And what it does, it is absolutely incredible. The technology, it works just like this on this box where you see the units in there. And your air is coming through the old air. It's being cooled off. The blower's pushing up. It has to go past this Remmy Halo. And then the air that comes into your room now has been processed out. Now, once it's been done, there's no claims that they're making here. It's not a medical device, but this is what has been proven. It quickly release the feature and the services. It kills bacteria, mold, and viruses. It reduces the odors, particularly from smoke. And here's the cool thing. It is recommended by major hotels, restaurant chains, the military for mold. These are major corporations. It kills 99% of sneezes and germs within 3 feet. And the technology kills 99% of viruses on the surface. So hey, if you know of anyone that are dealing with any sicknesses or challenges in their home, they got loved ones, they got children that are going back to school, the Remmy Halo is a great product for them to include into their home. Now, the powerful thing about this is we have financing available here. You can get one installed today and pay $0 out of pocket with our finance options that are available for you. So you, your loved ones can breathe fresher, cleaner air in your home, because you know what? The air in your home is being processed right here through your HVAC system, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And there's something that you can do to reduce sickness in your home for your loved ones and for your children. Take care. God bless. We're here to serve you in your neighborhood. Reach us on Messenger right here on Facebook, or you can go ahead and give us a call at the office. The number will be in the chat. Talk to you soon. We're here to serve you.